find the current and voltage across each resistor. So this is the kind of question that you need to answer. If you understood the concept, this will be easy. I'm waiting for you guys to pause and figure out the answer. So we have two resistors, not three nodes, which are key nodes. So we can start with V being equal to 5 volt, R1 being equal to 2000 ohm, R2 being equal to 3000 ohm. We have to find the current. So first thing first, whenever you have to find the circuit current, you have to find the equivalent resistance. So for that, we need to look into how the electron flow. So electron flows from this end, going through R2 and R1, and then to the other end of the circuit, is it not? So we can see clearly R1 and R2 have the same set of electrons flowing, so they are in series. So RAC, which is an equivalent resistance, is R1 plus R2, which is equal to 2000 plus 3000, which is equal to 5000 ohm. So basically you have this equivalent circuit, 5 volt, this is 5000 ohm. So now finding the current is not that difficult, right? So as per Ohm's law, we have V is equal to I into R. We know V, we know R. Finding the current is not big deal. So 5 is equal to 5000 into I. So we can divide with 5000, and this is a very small current, 0.123, right? Is equal to so many amperes. So we have 1, 2, 3. So 1 milliampere is equal to your current flowing in the circuit. Now the question is, find the voltage across each and find the current and voltage. So what is the current through R1 and R2? It's I itself, because the same current is flowing. So we can write a statement, 1 ampere, 1 milliampere is the current flowing through R1 and R2. Next question is, find the voltage. See, voltage is quite simple. We know the resistance, we know the current passing through it. Can you figure out the voltage? Yes, we can. Yes, don't make it too complicated. Just look at the current flowing through the resistor. You can find the voltage, V1, voltage across R1. If not, VAB. That will be more suitable, because AB is your node, and between that we have R1. So VAB is the voltage across R1, right? You just need to write VAB actually. You need not write this. So I just wrote it for better understanding. I into R1. We're not looking at equivalent resistance, right? We're looking at just the resistance R1. So this we can write it as R AC. If you guys want to be more specific. So VAB is equal to current through it is 1 by 1000 into resistance is 2000. So basically this is 2 volt. Does that make sense? Right. Now, since we know the voltage across this is 2 volt, how much should this be? You can either do same calculation, or you can use concept that in series, the voltage should add up to the voltage across its nodes. So across A and C, we have a 5 volt source. So since this is 2, this has to be 3. If you're not able to understand what I just said, you can do this. VBC is equal to 0, okay, 1000, 1 by 1000, 0.001 into your resistance R2, that is 3000. So this is equal to 3 volt. So 2 plus 3 is 5, right? So either you can do that or this. You can show it. Other way of calculating is or VBC is equal to your total voltage minus VAB, which is nothing but 3 volts. So it's left to your understanding. But yes, you need to understand both of it. So many people find this difficult. Okay, but I've explained it with reason. So go back and watch those. Conceptual understanding is what I want from you guys. I don't mind whatever marks you get, to be frank. If you're able to understand the concept, means you're pretty much done. Getting 80 or 90% is not a big deal. I'm not looking for 100 from my students, to be frank. It's okay to make mistakes. Even I make. But it's not okay for me to see you guys memorize set of problems and going. Please understand the agenda over here. It's for better understanding of concept in each of this problem. Again, answer is not what I'm looking for. So please pause and have a look at the answer.